Today's video, I'm going to be talking about Flex Series Head Shaver by Freebird. I'm going to talk about some things that I do like about this trimmer. Number one, I like the colors. I think it's really cool, the gold and the black. I think that it's really nice that it comes with all the accessories laid right out here on this table. First, you have the option of no guard, and then you have a 3mm, 5mm, and you have a 7mm. In this kit, you also have a massage pad for your face, and you also have an exfoliation tool here for your face, a nose and ear trimmer, and you have the universal cable, so that's a real nice plus. And you have a little brush for cleaning. And obviously you have the head shaver. Another cool feature is it's got the little deal like a lot of these trimmers and shavers have that comes up to trim your sideburns. I do like how it feels really good in the hand. It does have a charging indicator. They do say right out of the box that you need to charge it for 90 minutes. It'll be red when it's charging, and when it's ready to go, it'll turn green. With that said, it only has one speed. And unlike a lot of these, it has no travel lock. One thing I do not like about this trimmer is that the head shaver is tiny. Take a look at that head shaver. It's very, very tiny compared to most of them. I do not like that. It cuts into your time on cutting your hair. The bigger it is, the faster you get it done. So keep that in mind. I would recommend this trimmer to be used by people that have thin to medium hair when it comes to thickness. I don't think it would work too well with coarse hair. Of course, I don't have coarse hair. I do have friends that have coarse hair. The only thing that they found that works the best are ones that are coated. The blades on this are not coated. These are good blades. However, as I said, this is a small shaving head. So it does have the 5 as opposed to some that have 4. But if you're okay with that, then it's a pretty solid tool. I think it feels really, really nice and weighty in the hand. Overall, it feels really well built. I think it's a great shaver. I think that it could be a better value. The shaving head on it was bigger, as I said. I think with all of the accessories that you get with it, I think it's a pretty good buy. With that said, you can pick one of these up for about $80. I'm gonna check it out and see how it works. This shaver works really well. It feels really good on my head. My hair is kind of a medium thin thickness, but as you can see, it works really, really well. One thing I didn't say is you can use this dry or wet. You can use it with shaving cream or not with shaving cream. So really works well, guys. I really like it. I think it does a great job. That's gonna wrap up my review on the Flex series. If you've tried this out, I would love to know in the comments below, or if you've tried another head shaver that you feel is really nice and I should check out. Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't liked the video, this would be a great time to do it. And subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you are up to date with all of the reviews that I put out on this channel. Always remember, stay blessed and stay bearded.